Our skin is the first layer of defense between us and the outside world. And while it does a remarkable job, it's also where we often feel the most discomfort from irritation, dryness, or minor sensitivities that show up without warning. Fulvic Pain is a topical skin spray designed to support your skin's natural recovery process. This gentle, fast-absorbing formula uses highly bioavailable fulvic minerals, nutrients that are deeply supportive for skin renewal and overall comfort. Whether you're dealing with redness, itchiness, or everyday sensitivities, this spray goes on clean, absorbs quickly, and brings soothing relief right where you need it most. Because of its light texture and ease of use, it's perfect to keep with you, at home, in your bag, or even in your travel kit. It's versatile, effective, and works in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. Fulvic minerals are known for their ability to penetrate the skin barrier easily, delivering support deep into the layers of your skin. This means you're not left with a greasy residue, just calm, nourished skin that feels refreshed and revitalized. For many people, minor skin issues can become daily distractions. That's why Fulvic Pain was created, to give you a simple way to respond quickly without harsh ingredients or complex routines. Just a few sprays, and you're giving your skin the support it needs to get back to feeling its best. Healthy skin isn't about perfection. It's about feeling comfortable in your own body. Fulvic Pain helps you get there, one calming spray at a time. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!